are just walking up because the cookbooks have arrived, and today is the day that they are actually being sold. So we're so excited. So we're doing a lunch and cookbook for sale, and we are coming out to sell them. We're all gonna end up selling them. So I'm excited. I can't wait to see Allison. I'm sure she is like stoked. I knew you were going.
What's the best background?
Are you so excited?
Yeah, I'm like.
Are you dying?
Yeah. I'm like melting inside.
Oh, yes.
Hold on, that big earpiece sticking on my head.
Oh, okay, okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes. Give it to me. It's a video, but that's okay.
Video, come on. All right, now keep rolling.
They have arrived. Mike can't help himself.
I
with
wanted to
his
make
check.
sure I get that in.
That is true, though.
That's only one of the checks we're giving.
Yes.
Only one.
Only
I'm sorry, wrong thing. Only one.
But they're here, and they smell so good. They smell fresh.
Ooh.
They smell
what do
like everything we've cooked inside.
Wait, there's a fluttering. There's a gorgonzola.
There's a whiff. There's a whiff
I'm
of
getting
something.
Here, come here. What else am I getting
What
out
else
of
are we
this?
smelling out of this book?
Ooh.
Trees?
There's like there's barbecue. There's like a stir fry.
Lemon bars.
Lemon bars.
Oh, mac and cheese.
Ooh, so good.
salmon. I smell it all.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And you don't even have to scratch it. It's just natural aroma. Is it a vlog? Is it a vlog? Is it a vlog?
I feel so loved, and thank you guys.
What's the prediction, Mike? How long until we sell out?
Right up till 2 o'clock.
I agree. I think right at 2 they're gonna be gone.
Oh, yeah.
All of them are gonna be sold out. That's a wrap. We sold so many cookbooks. I'm so excited. Hold on, gotta get in the car. Okay. Well, we are done. That went really well, I think. For our first time ever doing anything like that, I think we did a really good job at getting food out quickly, and people were so excited about their cookbooks and having Allison sign them, so that was fun. That's a wrap. Now I run home. I've got to get all my stuff and then go to work because it is 2:07, so I've got to be in at 2:30. So I'm gonna run home, get my stuff, and I'll probably catch up with you at work. I've got my bag full of books. I take those to work so Allison can sign them. Have a new studio. It looks crazy. Totally cool though. It looks very sleek now with the new background.
I love the blue.
Do you?
Yeah.
Good. I was gonna say, I think they're gonna make that yellow after all, but it looks cool.
Nice because that's like the actual sign.
Yeah, yeah. It's nice too that it's one solid color because before the orange was a lot. Okay, it's been absolutely insane today because everybody and their mama is out sick.
I know.
So we ran around all morning for the cookbook and then came in here and it's been like,
And no one's here.
no.
I'm like, oh, are we
all
losing
right.
on digital?
Yeah, it's struggle bus. But I'm so excited. I have my little stack of books. Allison's gonna sign them for me, which look at that. I'm so excited.
Yay.
Okay, perfect. I'll put these back in. Thank you so much. Here's your other Sharpies before I steal them.
Cool.
Go. Okay.
I don't know if they're mine, but I'm gonna not take them.
Well, they're yours now. Back to work I go.
Okay.
Yay. Finally home. It feels like it has been the longest day ever. And it kind of has been. Just, I don't normally get up and do that much stuff in one day, but it was fun. I came home on my lunch break, but I was trying to figure out dinner and whatever, so I didn't really film. But I came home to this. The Christmas tree. It's got the lights. There's Joe. It's got all the ornaments on it. It looks so cute. Matt surprised me. He also had a fire going earlier, which I took video of right here. I was literally like balled up next to it. It was cold, so I was just sitting next to it, getting cozy after I ate a bowl of cereal because I didn't food prep for the week. So now it is food prep time at midnight. That's what happens when you want to play too much on the weekends and you gotta food prep. One hour later and we're finally done. Got my veggies, delicious. I made some ranch dip for them. I've got the hot links sausage for breakfast. And then ground turkey. This is supposed to be with taco seasoning, but apparently I'm out of taco seasoning and had no idea, so I've got to go buy taco seasoning. Oh, I just realized I still have broccoli. I switched to the steaming because it's just easier to cook it. It's much faster instead of waiting. Chop up like fresh broccoli and steam it. So I've switched to that lately. It's just trying to make my life easier. So I'm gonna end the vlog for tonight and then I will see you tomorrow. Good night.